Hi everyone, my name is Posma. I'm Vice President Sales Marketing for Hotel Arjuta Group here in Indonesia. We just did a sales leaders training with Jonathan Lowe as our facilitator today. So all the sales leaders for 10 hotels that we have here in Indonesia joining in, and we have a very good time. We learn many things, a lot of new things to be able to improve the quality of our sales leaders. So there's a lot of outcome that we take during the 2 days training, and I believe that our objective to equip our sales leader to be able to enhance their capacity as well, their responsibility as well, were met during the 2 days. We would like to continue the partnership with global success within the next couple of years. So I also recommend you to, if you'd like to build your team capability in sales or marketing, I believe you can partnering with Jonathan from Global Success Hospitality. Thank you so much.